Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best products out there. Today, we're diving into the world of dried fruits, and we're about to take a closer look at the best dried strawberries of 365 Natierra premium freeze-dried strawberries. These delightful berries offer a convenient and healthy snack option, and I can't wait to share all the details with you. First off, let's talk about the unique process behind these freeze-dried strawberries. Unlike regular dried fruits, freeze-drying preserves the flavor, texture, and nutrients of the fruit while removing nearly 99% of its moisture. This means that with each bite, you're getting the true taste of fresh strawberries without any added sugar, preservatives, or artificial flavors. Just pure, natural goodness, straight from the strawberry fields. What makes Natierra's freeze-dried strawberries stand out? For one, they are 100% non-GMO and vegan-friendly. They're also gluten-free and plant-based, making them a fantastic choice for anyone looking to maintain a clean and healthy diet. Whether you're snacking on them by the handful, adding them to your smoothies, or tossing them into your baking recipes, these strawberries bring a burst of flavor wherever they go. Beyond being a delicious treat, these strawberries come with a meaningful mission. Natierra is committed to reducing food waste and supporting children in need. With every purchase, a meal is donated to a child in Haiti, making your snack not only tasty but also impactful. It's great to know that something as simple as enjoying a pack of freeze-dried strawberries can contribute to a greater cause. In terms of packaging, you're getting 4 convenient 0.7-ounce packs in each box. These portions are ideal for portion control, and the compact size makes them perfect for on-the-go snacks, adding to your trail mix, or even enjoying while you're at work or traveling. The crisp, crunchy texture is unlike anything you'll get from other dried fruits, offering a satisfying and wholesome bite each time. The versatility of Natierra's freeze-dried strawberries is another huge plus. These strawberries are perfect for smoothies, baking, or even mixing into your yogurt or oatmeal for added sweetness and texture. The possibilities are endless, and it's easy to see why they've become a favorite in kitchens everywhere. Now, let's touch on the price. At $22.49 for a 4-pack, which works out to about $8 per ounce, this may seem a bit on the pricier side. However, when you consider the quality of the product, the sustainability efforts, and the fact that you're supporting a cause with every purchase, it's clear this is an investment in both your health and the world around you. If you're looking for a snack that's both nutritious and delicious, Natierra premium freeze-dried strawberries are definitely worth trying. They offer the perfect combination of taste, convenience, and purpose, making them one of the best options for dried strawberries on the market today. That wraps up our review of Natierra premium freeze-dried strawberries. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our reviews of the best products. See you in the next video.